Test the life of your spark plug. Similar to Briggs & Stratton 19368 ignition tester. Use with the engine running or just cranking. Red and black in color. Check for ignition problems before replacing any parts. Oregon specializes in high-quality, aftermarket OEM equivalent parts and products. Whether it is a small fuel filter or a large deck spindle, and everything in between, Oregon replacement parts are manufactured to meet or exceed OEM specifications. Top reviews from the United States. Great tester. It's cost-effective over name brands and works as well. You could tape the back with electrical tape to view spark in daylight. At night, it doesn't matter. This is OEM-style high quality, such as those by Briggs Stratton, except this tester is better than OEM. It comes with a rubber spark bridge where OEM fails to equip. Great price, fast shipping, A++ seller.